everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth here. We're going to be talking more today in this video about Profit Pals Pro, an amazing system that I discovered earlier this year. Great digital marketing training inside. If you're looking for something that is not only simple, but affordable, duplicatable, and scalable, which is what most people are looking for right now, congratulations, you are in the right place at the right time. I just want to share with you the marketing system that continues to enable me to consistently earn with Profit Pals Pro. A very affordable system. You get tremendous value and training inside, all for only $50 one time, plus a one-time $14.95 admin fee. So for a grand total of $64.95, you can have your very own Profit Pals Pro opportunity to take into the marketplace and share and earn unlimited $50 direct pay, instant pay commissions. Now the marketing system is additional. There is two options. They both work very well. I do happen to have both of these. And one of them is inside of the back office of Profit Pals Pro. It's a lead management and capture page marketing system that you can choose, totally optional, to upgrade. It is commissionable. So it's $100 plus a $21 admin fee. It is accessible through the back office of Profit Pals Pro. Now, I have been a customer of my capture page for a long, long time. And it just so happens they have an amazing funnel too. So I have this one here pulled up that I'm going to share with you for today's video. Now, my capture page, you can use it for many other opportunities, just about any other opportunity that you have. Okay? And all the well-known, all the popular opportunities out there, the majority of them do have specific customized pages. So that's the extra benefit there. It's $29.95 a month. However, you refer 3 and your system is free. So they both have their benefits. They both work very, very well. But I would encourage you, once you do join for the $64.95, that you do add on a marketing system sooner than later, okay? Because you definitely want to be collecting leads and building your email list. Because remember, the money is in the list and the fortune is in the follow-up. So getting back on track here, what I'm going to do is drop my link below in the description so you can come in and take your time, check everything out, review everything in its entirety. Okay, sound good? DailyPayBeginsHere.com. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. You might need to retype that into your browser. Okay, so just wanted to share with you, you'll just simply enter your name and your best email, and you're going to click on Show Me the Video. Once you do that, this is exactly where you are going to be automatically redirected, okay, to my landing page for Profit Pals Pro. You're going to be able to watch a couple explainer videos, and that's what I encourage you to do. These literally do all my selling and explaining for me around the clock, 24/7, 365, so I don't have to. So this is simple, 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 automated, and that's what you want, making it totally rejection free. Okay, this very first video is a short video. You want to start here and watch explainer video 1, presentation video. This breaks everything down, okay, all about Profit Pals Pro. Explainer video number 2, it's 10 minutes. This is the meat and potatoes. The presentation video explains everything very, very well for you, okay? So this is going to answer all of your questions, and then this is the option that's inside of the back office. Not required, no worries, it is optional. However, it is commissionable. So you have the potential to earn $150 per new sign up, okay? So this is a total optional upgrade. 100 goes to you. Every time somebody upgrades, 21 goes to the company. Totally optional, but it is commissionable. Okay, so you definitely can check this out firsthand right here in Explainer Video 3. Last but not least, we have Explainer Video number 4, which highlights and explains the simple compensation plan. Okay, so Explainer Video 1, 2, 3, and 4, you'll watch them in that order. You want to get started, this is exactly where you're going to go right here. Okay, this is totally optional. Now, this is commissionable as well. If you're somebody who likes social media and you like attraction marketing, you can access, totally optional once again, a very simple yet powerful attraction marketing blueprint that you can use and resell. You can use it to promote anything, including Profit Pals Pro. You can resell it and earn unlimited $25 instant pay commissions. So you can check out this little 2-minute video here if you so wish. All right, here's me. Here's my contact details. All right. Now, what you want to do, you're ready to get started after you've watched those 4 videos. You click here. And this is going to take you to the direct sales page. Everybody gets one of these when you join Profit Pals Pro. Okay, everybody gets one of these and all the details, all about the program. You start at the top left, work your way down to the bottom right. So you can rewatch the video. Okay, there's another video right here. Here's all the wonderful information, how the compensation plan works. All right. Now this has the potential to help you to pay your essentials, your car payment, a vacation of your choice, a mortgage payment. It just really all depends what your goals are. And essentially what you put into Profit Pals Pro is what you can expect and anticipate to get out of this. Now of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. Nobody can, but there is great potential here because it converts and works very, very well. There's tremendous value. The product is sensational for the price point of a one-time $50 plus a $14.95 admin, folks. Okay? Absolutely unheard of what you're going to get for $64.95. So you can play around for illustrative purposes the potential of your earnings. So let's say we just go with 5, okay? See, this is per sale. If you had 5 people sign up, that could potentially be bringing you $200 a day, $1,400 a week, and $5,600 a month potential, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. And here's a wonderful success stories, testimonials. You'll actually find me right here. And all you have to do is click on any one of these little black arrows going to the right, and you can tune in, okay, and see and hear why we love Profit Pals Pro so much. All right? And I know you're going to love it too. After all, what's there not to love about it? Here's all about the product, which is called the 5K Formula Bundle Pack. Okay? The Expert Marketer's Toolkit. Everything here, you can click play and tune into a 10-minute audio of what you're going to be able to learn inside of this amazing product. It's ideal. It's learn while you earn. Okay? Learn while you earn. This is a $499 value. Yours today for only $50 one time. Here's everything that's inside of this, folks. Tremendous, tremendous value. Okay? Click here to see the package so you can click on that. All right. So we're going to go here just so I can come back to the shell I need to. Okay. And as you can see, there it is. There's the PDF. This is what you're going to be able to get for only $50. Your package plus bonus downloads. Okay. Everything is going to be here. Okay. Plus additional audios, mentors in motion, makers of millionaires, the heavy hitters cheat code. This is over 3 hours of pure content, pure value. You're going to be able to access and download all of this, plus your own audio magazine library, sharing how these multimillionaires went from 0 to hero, from scratch to multiple 6 and multiple 7-figure a year income. Okay? And then you get your personal development mindset training, which concludes your product, plus all these wonderful bonus downloads, folks. This is everything for only $50. I mean, it's unheard of. It really, truly is unheard of, folks. I just wanted to share with you exactly what you're getting, okay? So we're going to come right back here. All right. And we're going to go, okay, we're going to scroll on down. And so when you're ready to get started, you'll be able to review everything, okay? After you go here, you're just going to simply follow steps 1 and 2. Very, very easy. Okay, you'll see my little picture here. This is my current rank. I'm quite proud of this, folks, okay? This is what's possible with consistent marketing, showing up daily and just committing to the process and being consistent with your marketing. There's so many places that you can share and advertise, and I have so many videos out there that detail and highlight that. I'm happy to connect with you after you join. We can connect up on the phone if you'd like to, and I'll share with you exactly what I do, what I use to consistently earn with Profit Pals Pro. Okay, so there's my contact details. I do accept Square, so you can pay with a debit or credit card. There's even Afterpay, so you can even split the 4 payments of $50 up if you wish to do that, okay? Lots of options. There's Cash App, which is super popular. I also take PayPal, Wise, and Venmo, just to let you know. And there's my payment details right there for the $50, all right? And there's my little Wise option if you're outside of the U.S. Alrighty, so this is worldwide. It's global. Absolutely. So you do that first. You pay your $50, and then you go on to step 2, and you pay your $14.95 one-time admin, okay? Everything is here. Here's a wonderful little bonus offer, all right? So you can check all this out, all right? Just make sure that you follow this right here. And if you need me to send off your payment proof receipt, I can absolutely do that to admin. So just reach out to me if for whatever reason you're not able to do it. Can happily help you out with that, all right? So that's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. There's my name. There's my ID, which is 743, and that's all you have to do, folks. So that's where you want to go to take your time and review everything. Everything is very well documented, well explained, well defined, and well highlighted. 4 explainer videos, plus a direct sales page that explains everything to you. So with that being said, folks, head on over right now to dailypaybeginshere.com, enter your information, and you'll be redirected to come inside, review everything. Dailypaybeginshere.com, name and email, show me the video. This is the marketing system, folks, that I'm using with incredible results. And there's no reason why you can't get fantastic results too. You just have to show up, plug in, follow the system, follow the training inside of the products. Folks, you can take this out to social media. That is totally optional. There's over 5 billion people alone on social media. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. We have an amazing Facebook group and community for all paid members where there's additional marketing resources and information, different places where you can go to advertise, images, text ads that you can literally use, swipe and deploy, and post on your Facebook, download, upload to your Facebook. Okay, lots and lots of choices. Lots and lots of choices, folks. Okay, so you definitely want to request to join the paid Facebook group for paid members. Even if you're not a Facebook user, I encourage you to definitely request to join that because there's a lot of value contained inside of our incredible Facebook community. So with that being said, folks, this is where you're going to start. Enter information, come inside, review everything. Should you have any questions, though, feel free to reach out, text or call me. I'll put my contact details below. You'll see them on my page, my landing page, and I'd love to welcome you in advance to Profit Pals Pro. Simple, affordable, and I know so many people right now need this. They are looking for a simple way that they can make some extra cash for the holidays. This can absolutely help you to do that, to accomplish that, and so very much more. So with that being said, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you soon, hopefully on the inside, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.